Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Job Today mobile app works. If you're looking for quick access to part-time, full-time, or temp jobs without the long application process, Job Today helps simplify that experience by connecting employers and job seekers directly through mobile. Once you install the Job Today app, you can create a basic profile including your photo, skills, and job preferences. The app allows you to browse thousands of local job listings across categories like retail, hospitality, delivery, and customer service. You can apply with just one tap, and many jobs don't require a resume. The built-in chat feature also lets employers contact you directly within the app, making it easy to set up interviews or ask questions. The main pros of the Job Today mobile app are its fast and simple application process, local job focus, and real-time chat feature between employers and applicants. It's also free to use and available in multiple cities. However, one con is that some users report delays in responses from employers. Another drawback is that many listings are in service industries only, limiting job variety for certain users. Recent user reviews highlight that Job Today is useful for finding quick work, especially in cities with lots of hospitality or retail openings. Some users appreciated the instant messaging system, saying it helped them land interviews within a day. However, others mentioned seeing outdated job posts or not receiving any replies despite applying to several listings. Overall, the Job Today app is a strong choice for those seeking fast, local employment opportunities, especially in customer-facing roles. Its minimal sign-up process and direct employer communication make it efficient, though it may not suit those looking for more specialized careers. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.